Hello everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. Well, I've not been able to get back in my craft room. I've been having a really bad fibro flare up this week. Um, so, and been trying to get some, just other things done, laundry and all that. Um, and doing some laundry again today. So I thought, I was going to go in there and work some today, but it's been driving me crazy. Um, last week I was working in my bathroom and it was just a mess. I had all kinds of like clutter and junk, everything we had things just piled up on this shelf right here. So I took everything off, cleaned it real good, and got it organized. I had all kinds of just junk piled up in here. I took it all out, cleaned it out, and organized it. Just put all my little lotions and sprays and everything that I use for the summer in here. And then, I swap it out what I use for the fall and the winter and the spring. And so I had just a mix of everything in there, and it was just overflowing because I never switched things out. So I took everything out and got all my summer stuff in here. And you can see some of the stuff is because I've had this stuff for years. I just, because I swap it out. And I got all the stuff like on sale or clearance or something like that. My husband got this for me years ago. I get stuff, like I said, on sale or clearance. I love this. This one's almost out. So that's how I collect stuff. I haven't bought any in a couple of years. I love these. You see where I cut it? You would be amazed at how much is left in these containers, these tubes like this. If you cut them open and then look inside, let me show you. I mean, if you'll cut them open and just look at how much product, if you can see the lighting, see how much product is left down in those things. So I always cut these tubes. I mean, same with toothpaste. You'd be amazed. Anything that you can cut open like this, this plastic tubing like that, cut it open, because you'd be amazed at how much product you're throwing away. So now I can't get that closed up with one hand. So I always, there we go, cut my tubes open and get every last drop out. So anyway, I got all my like big perfumes up there on that little shelf and kind of decorated it up with it. I went shopping in my house is what I did, because I had all kinds of little things just around the house, and I decorated my shelf. These are Bath and Body Works empty candles where I had cleaned out to put my cotton balls and everything. I want to put something decorative cute on top to make it a little more decorative. This candle's just about empty, but I want to finish it, so I put it in here. These are just some bath bombs. These were actually sent to me in the mail. This was a gift from a friend back in Georgia many years ago. A friend of mine gave me these many years ago for my birthday, because she knew how much I loved angels. So I just stuck them in there, and they had some little purple stars. You know I love purple and angels, so, well, they fell down in there. But there's some little purple stars and the little angels. I just stuck in there. There's one of those stars. And then I've got some of the little lavender and coconut bath bombs from the Dollar Tree. I just stuck in there, and I will use those, just haven't yet. I just thought they looked pretty in the basket, and that way when I'm ready to use them, I can just grab one, open the package up, and throw it in my bath. So I thought that looked nice. Then in the basket down there, I've just Got just some disinfectant spray. I keep some just, you know, reusable rags that I put in here. And I wash them and then put them back in there, just so that I can do a quick cleanup. And then I keep some cleaner in one of these things when it was empty. I forgot what this was even called, but it was one of those cleaners that you buy at the store. And when it was empty, I just refill it with some of my own cleaner. To do just a quick touch-up around the sink or around the toilet or anything. And then, excuse my water bottle. I need to clean the bathroom again. I've got a candle burning right there. But then this is just some stuff I like to keep, you know, nested around the sink. This milk glass I put here, I was like going around the house trying to find something that would fit here and hold all this stuff, you know, perfectly. So, you know, like my little soaps and couple of lotions and hand sanitizer and just a few little odds and ends. You know, some sleep balm and lip stuff, you know, just little things. A little pair of scissors, need to open stuff. Just, I'm sorry, I'm not even on it. Just little things like that, corralled. And then another lotion, lavender lotion I like. It looks pretty there, and I like the smell of it. And then just some other little things right here. This is my little face brush and stuff that I use on my face every day and night. So, and some air freshener. And then these were my little perfumes I corralled up in here, so they weren't all over the place. I hadn't even been using them because they were back in the closet, and I totally forgot about them. My cuticle oil. I like this tray, that way I can put little things there so I can find them. And these are supposed to help the room smell good. I got them off of HSN many years ago, and they're supposed to last forever. I don't think they're worth the money, really. And then another little air freshener I bought from Bath and Body Works many years ago. And then this was just a little gift from, I think from one of my daughters. Most of these little knickknacks like this was from one of my daughters. This I just found years ago at thrift store. So, yeah, that's what I got done in my bathroom. And then I just, you know, cleaned out my drawers, have all like my face creams and, you know, junk like that. I organized because it was just kind of got really messed up. And then this kind of hair stuff and some body stuff in here. I still want to kind of tweak that just a little bit, but it's not too bad. And then that's kind of under there is not too bad. It's dark under there, but that's my husband's basket and my hair basket, and then my hair brushes, my blow dryer that I use sometimes. I don't use it too often anymore, but I like it to be handy for when I do want to use it. So that's mostly that. We have a very small bathroom. Me and him have to share. The closet's not too bad. I still would like to tweak it a little bit. We put like all of our stuff that we buy and not ready to use up there in those two baskets. It's really hard to get in this closet. It drives me nuts. But we got all of our towels, like all of our medications, you know, like first aid stuff back there, ointments and whatever, you know, in there, mouthwash, Some more towels. See, there's all my Bath and Body Works and different, you know, for different seasons and stuff down there. Cleaning supplies, toilet paper, you know, all that fun stuff down the bottom. And then, like, I've got this organizer here where I keep little things, and I'm going to have to fix it because it's starting to rip. I've had it for years. I got it off of HSN, and we'll have to fix it since it's starting to rip. And my husband says, well, maybe you got too much in it. Well, no, because it's actually a shoe organizer, so it should even hold heavier stuff. It's supposed to hold like jewelry and heavy shoes and all that. And even the one I've got for in my regular closet for shoes, I noticed it's starting. I think I've just had it for so long, and I don't think they're very well made, because I know some of the zippers broke and all that. So I'm really kind of disappointed in them. But anyway, this is where I ended up putting this one in here to keep washcloths. I even had a problem with the hangers that they were supposed to hang from. I had to jimmy this one because even in my closet, the hangers, what they were made out of, they just popped. And he thought, well, maybe you're hanging too much stuff from it. I don't believe that could be possible, because like I said, it was supposed to hold shoes, and I saw what was being held from it, so it should have held up the weight. I just think it was cheaply made. But so I like being able to have that. The only problem is, like I said, it's hard to get in here with this on that side of the door, and then I've got towels on the other side of the door, and then our robes here, so it makes it hard to get in there. But we don't have any wall space. So as you can see, so this stuff has got to go. It's where I've been cleaning out our closets and cabinets and stuff, so all of that's gonna go, and this is gonna be moved out of here. I'll probably put that on the back porch or patio. Excuse me. But see, this is the only wall besides this wall, because that leads to the bedroom, and this is the laundry room, and that's our closet. So there's no wall space in here to hang anything for towels. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is, besides move that out of here, this is going to go over there, and this mess right here, I'm going to get these drawers cleaned out, because I started one day, whoop, sorry about the finger, started one day and I didn't get finished because I worked on those other drawers, had all this out, and I had to just, because it got late, so I just shoved everything back in the drawers. So all these drawers are a big mess, and I need to get them cleaned out and organized. And then this is it's a rolling cart, so this will be rolled over there out of our way, because we usually keep it, I've been keeping it right here, and it's kind of in the way, and I keep having to move it back and forth. And I want to keep this mirror though up here, and that way I can roll it over here to be able to sit down. I'll just sit on the toilet seat and sit down and do whatever I need to do, you know, when I want to do that. So I don't usually wear makeup most of the time. Sometimes I might wear a little bit, but I haven't really been into all that lately. But you know, I might wear some face cream or something like that, but I don't really wear a whole lot of stuff anymore. I've just gotten where I just don't wear that anymore now. I've gotten older. But anyway, I do want to get these organized, and I've got some of that stuff I'll keep on hand in case, you know, I might want to touch up my face or something for a special occasion. So I'm going to do that, and then when I'm done, I'll show you what it all looks like. So I'll show you that in the next video, since there's really no way for me to edit this. So that will be in the next video. So thanks for watching. See you soon.